What's up, everyone? This is the top 10 reasons why generative AI is actually really great. Fuck. JK, it isn't. This is actually the reasons why generative AI sucks ass by me. Number one, it's like stealing content. I'm an artist myself, as you can tell from my high quality videos. And it's constantly like stealing other shit, and it like is very poo poo. It's very bad. AI just it's like it's ugly. It's the fuggliest thing I've ever seen. As in fugly, as in fucking ugly. Um, and also AI incest. That's a thing apparently. Where like they are using other AI shit to make more AI, cause like they eat so much, you know. Also, yeah, I don't want my stuff to be poo poo by AI. RAM shortage. I like building computers. I built my own computer, and I don't like how the price is very high on RAM. And I heard a story about a guy that broke into like a building and he stole like 8 boards of RAM, which comes to like $8,000 or some dumb shit like that. And I don't think that's cool. I don't like that. 3, it's bad for the environment. I don't think I need to say any more than that. Like, I like polar bears and penguins, and they're like defrosting and all that shit, and that's not cool, man. That is not cool. Yeah, it makes living next to data centers like bad. Again, self-explanatory. You've probably all seen the video of like the woman that like turns the faucet, the water faucet on, and it's like the water pressure is so ass. It's like that. Imagine how showering in that bullshit would be. That would be so fucking bad. I would like generally like, I would, I would commit crimes if that happened to me. I'm not even lying. And then number 5, it like enshitifies everything. Everything's enshitified. Everything's enshitified. Nothing is sacred. Nothing is safe from enshitification. And I do mean everything. Like the fucking Microsoft 360 bullshit, the fucking Cortana a few years ago, the fucking, I don't know, man, just everything has AI tagged onto it. Like PowerPoint has AI, and I like PowerPoint. I'm using PowerPoint right now. I'm not using the fucking AI. I fucking hate the AI. I don't like it. It's shitty. It's enshitified. But I don't want to end on a negative note, so I'm gonna do something a little positive, something that I think a lot more people need to talk about. There is good uses for non-generative AI. What this means is like how usually AI is like eating so much data to like make something quote unquote new, as in like the AIR or like the text and everything. Non-generative AI is just AI that is not that, the one that we've been having for like decades now. So like learning nodes and everything like that, you've probably seen like a video of like, oh, this little creature is called a fugly, and the fugly is gonna like learn each step of the way, and the ones that get more apples get like turned to the next generation. It's like actually interesting stuff, and it's non-generative. It's like like yeah, like learning algorithms, you know, like that. So it is like great for robotics if you want to like have something to control it. Again, it's a local database. It's like just studying off of that. It's not stealing anything. It doesn't need data centers because again, local database. It's like on a computer running. It's pretty simple. It's like you know, it's not that deep. It is actually really cool stuff, and like the science of it is really interesting. Number 2, it's good for cancer research. Now, I'm gonna say something controversial, but cancer is pretty bad, you know? And I don't like cancer. And apparently, like, cancer is different to everyone because of, like, the genetics of it and because it's your own cells and everything. So that's why it's really hard to come, like, with a universal treatment for cancer. So, like, and apparently there's like been new developments with AI to like help do like a cancer vaccine and everything, because it's like you give the data to an AI, it studies it properly, and because it has so much computational power, like with its own database, it's like actively doing good. And I think that's actually nice. That's actually a good example of AI. And also, it's good for video games. Like every fucking NPC ever, like the walks around and shit, like the new fucking Alien game where it's like there's an alien, the alien, and it's like hunting you and everything. That's AI. That's AI. It's not generative AI. It's an algorithm, and it's really fun. It's really nice. I think I'm a bit of a nerd myself, so I think that's really fun. I think that's cool. In conclusion, generative AI kind of poo poo, kind of sucks. But that does not mean that every AI sucks, because there are non-generative AIs out there. There have been for like decades now, and they're actually pretty okay. They're actually really interesting to the science of all of it, and like the of how much you can do with it. It's actually really nice. Only the bad one that pollutes the planet is really bad. Of course, I mean, I think that makes sense, and I do think that generally we need to like have a distinction, at least in our heads, that when we talk about AI being bad, we should know that it's mostly generative AI, not like just regular plain old AI that's been existing for like years now, like decades at this point, like in fucking, I don't know, like Quake. I've never played Quake in my life. Anyways, thanks for watching. Bye.